everyone. This video is kind of timely, and I'm not sure if this is a test on Etsy or if it's something that they're going to be rolling out to everyone or if they're going to just be doing this anyway. But if you have what they call targeted offer coupons, which are abandoned cart, favorites, and returning customer coupons, if you have those set up, it's possible that Etsy will be sending messages through your convo system from your shop to customers who have either favorited your items or they've purchased from you in the past. What it looks like is it's a message that came from you that says thank you for your order or thanks for favoriting or whatever it's going to say. And we have one from a seller in our Facebook group who posted it and she said I could use this screenshot. It looks like it comes from you and it's not coming from Etsy. Now, I don't know if Etsy is sending this to everyone. And they say that they only send the email coupons to people who have opted into marketing messages. But because this isn't an email, it could be that they can send it to people. I'm not sure how that works with the spam laws in different countries. But basically, you're going to be having your coupon sent to people, and it looks like you're sending it, not Etsy. And it gets a little spammy. So I'm sure that they have something in place to prevent people from getting more coupons, in a certain amount of time so that it doesn't get too spammy. But on the other hand, do you want to have a whole bunch of your coupons sent out when you might not want that coupon in circulation, or just there's a lot of things to think about with this. So if you want to turn your coupons off and you don't want them to send it out, what you need to do is go into your marketing and sales and coupons and go into the details of each coupon that you have set up and click on stop sending the message. So they will not use that coupon to send to people, but it will still be active in your shop. So you can send it to people, or you can put a card about it in your packaging when you send the orders out so that people will still be able to use the coupon, but Etsy won't send the message out and inundate people with all of this stuff. The other thing to know about this is that Etsy says that these messages will not count toward your star seller messages. So that means that if other sellers, like if you're out favoriting things and you start getting coupons from these sellers, it's probably from Etsy. It's not from them, because sellers are not supposed to use the Etsy message system to send coupons to anyone. And I think that's how Etsy is getting around this. They're like, hey, we need to send more coupons to people. And let's just use the messaging system because that's not email and it doesn't technically follow the spam laws. And we're just going to send it out on behalf of the sellers. I personally don't like this. I have just gone in and turned all of my targeted offer coupons off. I want no part of this because I want to have control on my coupons. I have a discount for signing up for my email list. So if people want that, they can sign up for that. And it's just more Etsy pestering people, in my opinion. And, everybody's going to have a different opinion about this. Some people, if you want to send coupons to people who have favorited your stuff, you're probably super excited. But I don't like the idea of using the Etsy messaging system, and especially making it look like it comes from our shops when it's really coming from Etsy. These messages are auto sent for us. It's not something that we are sending. It's going to be done for you unless you go in and turn those controls off. So just go in and check. It's in your shop dashboard, in the sales and marketing, and the discounts and sales, and then you have to go into the details of each coupon. Just be aware that this is happening and decide for yourself what you want to do about it. Like I said, I've turned everything off, and I just wanted to let you guys know that that's going on right now. So pay attention. I'll talk to you later.